Did you know there are 7 distinct levels of wealth throughout life, but shockingly, 61% of people never get beyond level 2, and even if you reach financial independence, you've still got 2 more levels to go. Let's find out your current wealth level and how you can reach the higher levels of financial success. Let's begin with level 1 of the wealth journey, often called the dependence stage. This is where people like kids, teens, and college graduates partially or fully depend on someone else, usually their parents, for financial support. Surprisingly, a recent survey by Savings.com found that 45% of American parents still support their adult children financially. Usually, you're stuck in this stage until you land your first full-time job and can start taking care of your own bills. What age did you become financially independent from your parents? Share your story in the comments. Moving on from the dependent stage, we enter the survival stage. Just as the name suggests, it's all about surviving by making sure you can cover your bills at the end of each month without sinking into debt. At this point, there's often little left over for saving or investing. You're truly living paycheck to paycheck. But don't get disheartened because you're in good company. A whopping 61% of Americans find themselves living paycheck to paycheck even as inflation cools. Essentially, all these people are right here in the survival stage. The name of the game at this point is to keep your expenses as low as possible for a few years until you progress into level 3, where things start looking up. Level 3, or the breathing room level, is where you no longer live paycheck to paycheck and you can handle most unexpected bills that pop up. Typically, this stage spans your 30s. I'm going to guess most of you watching this are at this level, so congratulations for making it to level 3. But keep up the hard work and subscribe to Wisdom Way because together, we can fast-track your journey through the ranks. By now, you probably have a few months' worth of living expenses saved up. In fact, according to the Federal Reserve's Board Survey of Consumer Finances, the median savings balance for someone in this age group is between $3,000 and $5,000. You should be aiming to start contributing to a retirement fund now if you haven't started already. After enjoying 5 to 10 years of financial breathing room, it's time to advance to the stability stage. Here, your expenses are comfortably covered and shouldn't put too much of a dent on your savings. Your wealth really starts to accumulate at this stage. However, it's important to watch out for lifestyle inflation, which could be detrimental to your savings rate and how soon you'll reach retirement. Keep your expenses as low as possible and always live within your means. Many individuals at this level often earn over $100,000 in salary, but shockingly, 51% of these high earners still find themselves living paycheck to paycheck, often due to lifestyle inflation, which means many of these high earners haven't even escaped level 2 yet. This highlights that a high income doesn't guarantee financial success. If you've diligently managed your expenses and now earning a healthy income, you could find yourself in level 5, or the flexibility stage. For many people, this is as far as their wealth journey ever gets, as most people don't ever progress to the final 2 stages. By now, you must have enough investments to fully fund your lifestyle and cover all your bills. Work becomes optional, and it's up to you to decide whether you're content at this level or if you'd like to continue working to fund a more extravagant retirement. You'll now meet the criteria for the 4% retirement rule. Simply put, this rule suggests that you should have invested at least 25 times your annual living expenses, and the returns from these investments should at least equal 4% of the total capital each year. For many, this is the ultimate financial goal. However, for those who achieve remarkable success, there's level 6, the freedom stage. The freedom stage, as the name suggests, is where you gain the ability to do whatever you want, whenever you want. Your investments easily support your lifestyle, leaving plenty money left over for further investing. Buying a nice car, a comfortable house, and various luxury items becomes a breeze. At this point, money isn't even a focus in your life anymore, and your primary objective shifts towards maximizing happiness and quality time with your loved ones to live the most fulfilling life possible. You might be wondering what level 7 could possibly be if level 6 is complete freedom. Well, level 7 is the abundance stage, and this is reserved for a special few people in the world, mainly billionaires. The only real way to get to this level is to start a hugely successful multinational company. At this point, private jets and supercars are part of your weekly lifestyle. This is the level of people like Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, and Elon Musk, who are more concerned about leaving a legacy or making a significant impact on the world than how much personal money they can accumulate. The possibilities are endless at this stage. If you enjoyed the video, and maybe you'd like to check out this video on how much money you should have saved at each age of your life to see how you compare to your peers,